How to upload video on Google Drive and share link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload video on Google Drive and share link. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Drive app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on upload option and here it will prompt you to the page where you can select all the files and folders of medias which you want to upload. So here simply select the video that you want to upload and simply tap on upload. And here, once it's uploaded, then you can simply tap on the three dot icon next to that videos that have been uploaded. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on share. And now here in this section, you can directly share these videos with other person, or what you can do is simply go back and tap on the three dot again, and from here you simply have to tap on copy link. And here with that, you also have to make sure to have or give a permission access to the other people who have this link as well. And with that, you can simply copy the link of the videos, and once you have copied it, then you can simply go to some random medias and share this link with the people that you want to share. And that's it. That's how you can upload a video and share link with others. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.